Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet bat subscribe ya u antor news.
Kublai fi baro kini gilong ki khubor ba mata kasni. Raj Bhavan hane ringkat kaji Trailang bat ka Shillong Agri Horticulture Society bat ka State Directorate of Horticulture kila penlong ya ka jingpyninam ka ba nyngkong Raj Bhavan. Ya kan ka show la pli daulat ka jela Meghalaya UCH Vijay Shankar ubala sotunat ya ka jing IT lot bat ka jing trashtom jongki reu syntiew kibalari bat penne pensa ya kibabun ki syntiew da ki phosnam palat lai spat tali ki jingpyninam la pen hakane kasngi da ki lai phongut ki dokhot jongka Shillong Agri Horticulture Society habalak kren hakane kasngi ulat kejela Meghalaya UCH Vijay Shankar ula ong ba ka Raj Bhavan kade jongki pat ba haka jela Meghalaya but on pli ya ki jingkhang jongka Raj Bhavan na kabenta ki nongwan jungok kai but wan benmat ya ka Raj Bhavan palat ya ka arsengi ha kasisnam ulat ula pentip ru ba nang ni shakhmat kane ka jingpyninam tiu kan long ka ba man la usnam ha Raj Bhavan.
Okay. Yes, flower bouquets.
Next month, the first Japanese sponsor.
Wonderful.
Sir.
What is reason now?
Just see them, madam.
In mind.
Oh,
Madam, see them.
Forward.
Come, Ato.
They are fond of two things. One is music and the other one is flowers. They are very fond of music. Wherever you go in any of the programs, wonderful singers you can see. Very well find some of the wonderful singers. And wherever you go in any part of Meghalaya, I tell you, it is so beautiful, so wonderful. It is a beautiful state. So in that way, now the Raj Bhavan thought, twice in a year we are going to open the doors of Raj Bhavan to the common people. Twice in a year. That is August 15th, 15th of August and January 26th. These are the 2 days where we open the doors of Raj Bhavan and let any common people come and visit the Raj Bhavan and enjoy the beauty of the atmosphere here. And this building, as you know, this Raj Bhavan, it is 150 years old. It is a heritage building. One of the wonderful building, I tell you. And many times I used to hear from the people of Meghalaya, even from the people of Shillong, some of the senior most citizens, when they have come here, when they have been invited them to attend some of the programs, by that time they have told me openly, you see, Mr. Governor, this is the first time we are coming to Raj Bhavan. We have been visited this building and we were able to see inside the Raj Bhavan, whether it is 15th of August or January 26th. Then rest of the other days, if at all anybody wish to come and visit Raj Bhavan, we thought to open the doors of Raj Bhavan. If at all anybody wish to come and visit Raj Bhavan with proper reasons, not only these 2 days in a year, and rest of the other days also we decided, let anybody come, either to visit Raj Bhavan, to visit Governor of Meghalaya. We decided to welcome them. Even midnight they wish to come, we should allow them to come and meet and visit Raj Bhavan. This is the decision we have taken. And along this January 26th, we decided to make it more colorful. In that way, myself and our commissioner and staff of Raj Bhavan, we thought, what else we can introduce? routine, no taste. Whatever the functions every year we are going to conduct, being the national festivals, keeping in the mind of national festivals, if at all it is going to be routine, no taste in it. We have to add something every year. This is the beginning of this year. We decided to start with the flower show. It is only 1 week of effort, you know. You see the coming year, the entire Raj Bhavan is going to be covered by the flowers. Flowers, I assure you. That to this bonsai, you know, this lady commitment, such kind of personalities, you should come to know of the common man, their effort, their contribution, their dedication. Whoever have been put their effort in such fields, they should be known to everybody. Their effort should be known to everybody. And we have to, morally we should support them. We should encourage them. Without anybody's encouragement, without anybody's support, if at all they are achieved so much, if at all they are ready to contribute so much to the society, if at all we are going to recognize them, and morally if at all we are going to support them, they do wonders, I tell you. They do wonders, I tell you.